Okay, everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do where to like and subscribe. Now, first off, my name is Chukwuma Amobi, and I'm a digital marketing copywriter with over 4 years of experience. And today, I'm going to be talking in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the 5 in-demand copywriting services you can offer to foreign clients, even if you live in Nigeria. Right, guys? Now, I want to make it clear that copywriting is a huge, very, very important digital skill anyone can get for yourself in 2024 and 2025 and beyond. There is no time that you started copywriting that is new, and there is no time you started copywriting that is late. Companies and businesses will always need copywriters to help them to market their businesses online. And for the interest of those who don't know what copywriting is, copywriting, in just a simple definition, just simply means the act of writing persuasive write-ups, persuasive articles, persuasive write-ups that can help persuade people to take a particular action that you want them to take. Maybe you want to sell some digital skills, or maybe you want to sell something online, or maybe you are selling a gadget, a cell phone, a television, estate management, whatever it is you are selling, and you want to persuade people to get to click on a button and perform a particular action about your business. Now, you're going to have to, at some point, write something that when people read it, is going to be persuasive to them. So that is the act of copywriting, to be able to write persuasive write-ups, persuasive content, written content that will help to get people to perform a particular action. That is simply what copywriting is. And today, this wonderful day that you found this video, I'm going to be telling you the 5 in-demand copywriting services you can offer to foreign clients and in exchange for money, real money. Stay with me in this video. Now, let's get into the first in-demand copywriting service that you can offer to foreign clients. And it's not only foreign clients that you can offer these skills. You can as well offer these skills to Nigerian businesses all over Africa, all over the world, Europe, Asia, CONCACAF, whatever. You can offer these services to them. It's limitless. It is limitless. So, without wasting further time, we're going to jump into the first copywriting service that you can offer. And this is by far the easiest. Okay, I advise people who are first starting out in copywriting to start with this one. And it is called email copywriting. Guys, email is the easiest form of writing that you can perform for businesses or for yourself. And from there, you can develop more copywriting skills that can help you to further grow. Now, if you are a copywriter and you are a beginner copywriter, like you are a newbie, I highly recommend that you start with email copywriting. That way, you get to write a lot of stuff. You get to learn things, you get to do your research, you get to know your audience, you get to know your demographics. Find a way to get everything you have learned in your copywriting skill, find a way to get them together and use them in your email and see how you can be able to be as persuasive as you can in your emails. Emails are not dead. People still open their emails, people still read their emails. They're the short emails. Emails in copywriting can be very, very interesting and can be very, very attractive if a good copywriter writes those emails. And as a newbie copywriter, I highly recommend that you start with email copywriting. That way you can improve very fast. The second skill and the second in-demand copywriting service that you can offer to foreign businesses is email marketing. Now, people are going to ask, what's the difference between email copywriting and email marketing? But trust me, if you are in the game, you know what I'm talking about. And what I'm talking about exactly is that email copywriting is the process by which you write the copy for a client and just give it to the client. And that's all. Your job is done. Now, for email marketing, you not only write the copy, but you take that same copy you have written and use it in an email marketing platform where you can help that same client to actually use that platform, that email marketing platform, and send those emails you have written for them. The difference between the two is that in email copywriting, you only write those emails and then send it to the client. And the client will do whatever he wants or she wants with the emails. That's for email copywriting. But for email marketing, you write the emails and then you send it, you use those same emails and use an email marketing platform to send these emails to the client. Let me tell you a short story. Now, listen carefully. When I first started out in copywriting, I was doing copywriting for a while, and at some point, I got a client that wanted me to write those emails. But the problem with the client is that the client is fairly new in business, as I was new in copywriting. Now, he wasn't paying me much. At that time, I wasn't all about the money. I was all about my skills, right? I was all about making myself look good. Now, I I found that as an opportunity for me to practice my email marketing skills. Now, I wrote the copy, the email copies, and I went into Klaviyo and I actually used that same email to send emails for that client through Klaviyo. That's when I got to learn stuff. I've said it over and over again in this channel that you learn more when you do stuff than when you actually read books or you watch seminars or you attend webinars or you watch videos, okay, about that particular stuff. You actually learn it more when you actually do it. The third in-demand copywriting services that you can offer to foreign clients is Facebook ads copywriting. Now, people are running ads on daily basis, both in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Singapore, in Sierra Leone, in Cameroon, US, UK, whatever country you can think of. People are running ads massively on Facebook. Now, if you can learn how to write Facebook ads copy, you are on top of the game. Like, you are over the moon. Like, you will have a skill that you can be able to offer to foreign clients that can be able to make you money. Facebook ads copywriting is another part of copywriting that companies and businesses are constantly vying for. They are constantly looking for it. Then, if you learn how to write Facebook ads and write your headlines well, write your hook well, write the body copy well, and then close with a very clear and demanding and you know, a very important CTA, that is call to action, close with a very straightforward call to action, I guarantee you that clients are going to be looking for you. And if you go the extra mile to actually learn how to run ads so that you won't only write the copy for them, you can actually use that same copy to run ads for them. If you learn that, man, you have only doubled your skills and you can only double the amount of money you can be able to make. So guys, learn Facebook ads copywriting is very important. And at this juncture, let me say this. If you want to be a copywriter, if you're a newbie or you want to learn copywriting, or if you already have a digital skill, but you don't know how to find clients, why don't you send me a comment in the comment section? Just tell me what your problem is and I will reply to you and tell you exactly what you're going to do so that you can get to where you want to be. Send that comment right now. Please hit that button, send that comment right now. Right. The fourth in-demand copywriting service you can offer to foreign clients is sales page copywriting. Okay, guys, this is a place that it's a little tricky because for you to be able to write a good, converting, and important and interesting sales page, you must be a good copywriter. You must learn a lot. You have to know the psychology of human persuasion. You have to know how to write a convincing title, a convincing hook, a convincing opening. You must have to know the different parts of a good sales page, how to write the different parts of a good sales page to be able to bring it all together and to be able to write a good convincing sales page, guys. So you're going to have to learn this. I'm not saying it's not possible. It is possible, but it will take you a little more time. Let's be honest with this. It will take you a little bit time. So that's why I highly recommend that people start with emails first, so that when you get comfortable writing emails, maybe you throw into maybe you dabble into writing ads for a while, and then if you learn it very well, so that you dabble into writing landing pages, which is actually the fifth in demand service, and before you come to sales page, it's important that you go through this stage. But some people, I've seen copywriters who started writing sales pages, landing pages, and they just dumble it, and finally they found their calling. But if you are a beginner and you want to start small, start with emails, then ads, then landing pages before you get to sales pages. It's important that you do that, okay? The fifth in-demand copywriting service that you can offer to foreign clients is landing page copywriting. Now, a lot of people are confused between what a landing page is and what a sales page is. Now, let me take this opportunity to clear the air. Now, a landing page is a short version of a sales page. A sales page is always longer, and a landing page is always shorter. Now, for a sales page, is direct to the point. For a landing page, it is direct to the point. A landing page is direct to the point. Now, if you're selling a particular service, or if you're selling a particular item, often one item, when people click on your ad, they get to a landing page that is only talking about one item. That is a landing page. A landing page is often referred to as a squeeze page, whereby it is all about telling you to perform one action. It's either the landing page is telling you to enter your email and your name, or the landing page is telling you to download the book, or the landing page is telling you to click the button to join a class, or the landing page is telling you to do stuff, but it's always one thing that the landing page is often telling you to do. Do this one thing, and that's it. Now, that is a landing page, but a sales page is much more longer. A sales page may be selling a service, it may be selling a product, it may be selling whatever it is selling, but then a sales page is often longer. A sales page will tell you all about the person behind the product, the team behind the product, what they have done, their journey, people they have helped, companies they have helped, what they have done in the past, how much they have been in business. A sales page contains so much more than can be found on a landing page. So that's why it's called a sales page. It's going to tell you a lot, everything you need to know about the particular product or service that is being sold to you. That is a sales page. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you haven't subscribed at this stage, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the share button, hit all the buttons you can see, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.